Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. This is Prashant. As we have discussed last time about the dictionary and the half topic is left. So today I'm going to complete that chapter. So here you can see the creating a new dictionary, how you can create the dictionary. So this is the way to create the dictionary. You can create in this way also. You can create this way also, and this will be the output. This is the empty dictionary. If you are going to insert some values, as okay, one thing I told you, this is the key, this is the value. Okay, so key is immutable and the value is mutable. So make it sure that key you cannot change. Okay, so get the values from a Python dictionary. How you will access these values? You have to call the index value, or you have to call the proper key. So it will give you the output. As 1 is belonging to 20.5, so it is giving the answer. As 3 is belonging to 23.22, so it is giving the answer. And we have discussed the get also. So I think these things are clear. If you have not seen the previous video, please must see the dictionary part 1. Okay, so here is the update. How will you update the dictionary? Generally we have to write down like this only. So like this you can update the value, or you can write down this way also. Okay, last time update the value as the Sneha ma'am teaching the account business. Okay, so after that we have delete a one value from the dictionary. So today I am going to tell you about the dictionary. So instead of dictionary we are going to talk about today. So let's see with the example. I'm going to make a program for this. So let's see. Today I'm going to work on the Python cell. So please see that one. Okay. So first of all I'm going to make a data. My books are laying here. Data. Okay. And I'm declaring data equals to dictionary. I'm declaring as we use the surnames to call their particular subject. Today I'm going to use a key as a subject, and they will call the teacher's name. So here I'm going to use music is belonging to Anuj. I'm going to create the video. I'm going to create the program. After that you will get a jump so that it will be the clear. Okay, so CS is belonging to, here I'm going to make a list. This CS computer science is taught by two teachers. One is Prashant, another one is Bhavam sir. Okay, so I think this things is clear. So I'm going to talk about the math is going to math is taught by Sachin sir. Okay, so next thing, physics. I'm talking about the physics. Physics is taught by the Mohit sir. Okay, physics is taught by Mohit sir. Mohit, and now I'm going to make a dictionary inside. So commerce, I'm going to make a commerce section, and this you can see commerce is the key, and key is accessing another dictionary. Okay, and another dictionary name is dictionary, and here the first value key is BUSI, business, and business is taught by is Neha ma'am. Okay, and accounts ACC I'm going to write down like this only. It is taught by Kiran ma'am. Okay, let me check this. Okay, music, actually the colon and the brackets and the colon again the brackets, it makes a confusion, so I am going to check it. Music Anusar CS by taught by two teachers, Bhavam and Prashant. Math Sachin, physics Mohit, commerce section we have created, and there two teachers I am calling. One is Sneha ma'am, another one is Kiran ma'am. So let me check this. Okay, so it's working. Let me check data. So here you can see, oh, good, it is working. So now let's see here. Let's enter Mohit sir. It is taught by the Mohit sir. Okay, okay, I'm going to call data and CS. So let's see what will happen. CS, I'm going to call CS. It is taught by two teachers, Prashant and Bhavam. So now let's see if I can access with the index value also. So what I have to do for that, CS, and I have to give the index value, particular index value. But you have to remember this particular index value is 0 and 1. 0 and 1. So I'm going to write down 1 here. Oh, it's good. CS is taught by Bhavam sir. Okay. Is this clear to all of you? Okay. Now the next. Here I'm going to write down data. What will happen if I will call the commerce? Commerce. Oh, it is again representing another dictionary. So here, how will I access the dictionary inside value? I have to write down data and the main key. Okay, I think I'm not making a mistake. COMMERCE. Okay, and the another key, main key, the another key, I'm going to call ACC. So what will happen? It will call the Kiran ma'am. I think this is clear to all of you. So here the method to how to create the dictionary inside list, okay, and how to access these values, these things are clear for you. So my dear students, so today this is the main thing that you have to understand, how to create a dictionary inside dictionary. So after that I'm going to create a one program. So here student, here is a program you can see here. Okay, so you can see here, write a program to create a dictionary containing a name of competitions, winners, winner students as key, means the name of the students as a key, and the number their wins, means how many match they won, is value. Okay, so here is a n, how many students. First of all, I want to know that how many students you want to accept, as a 3 student, 4 student, or a 5 student. Then after that I have created a dictionary. It is an empty dictionary. You can see it is a empty dictionary. Okay, it is a empty dictionary. After that I put a loop here. For loop a in a range of n, means up to n. N is the size of number of students. Okay, so you have to accept two things: key as a number of students, key as a okay, sorry, name as a key, name as a key. So now input you are accepting the key. You have to declare like this. If you are going to accept the value, value is the number of competition won. Okay, then after that, here is the competition key and the value. Key is accepting the values. Here I am printing the dictionary. Let's run it. I am going to run it. First of all, it will ask to save. Okay, now you can see the execution. How many students? Let's suppose I am running for the 3 students. So 3 students, enter name of the student. Let's suppose Ram. He won 2 matches. Next name is Shyam. He won 4 matches. Next name is Mohan. He won 2 matches. So here you can see the dictionary is now Ram is the key and this is the value. Shyam is the key, this is the value. Mohan is the key and this is the value. So like that you have to create. So my dear students, you have to work like that, and only few functions are left in the dictionary. Let me talk about that also. Now here we have the concatenate 2 Python dictionaries in a new one. So let's say this is the one dictionary, second dictionary, third dictionary. So here we are going to concatenate this one. It is a 4th dictionary, empty dictionary. So what I'm going to do, D is in dictionary 1, dictionary 2, dictionary 3, and it is updating. This line must be here. It is writing mistake. This line must be here, and after that I am printing the dictionary. So what will happen? It will accept 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, and because fourth is empty, fourth is accepting all the values, I am printing the 4. This is accepting the values. Okay. Now the next one, find the length of a dictionary. Len function is always used to calculate the length. Okay. So if I am going to calculate the length, so you can see two values are there, means two keys are there, so it will calculate according to that and it will give you the output as a 2. Next is in or not in. I think we have used this one. So you can see fruit, fruits, apple 1, mangoes 2. So here we have created a dictionary. This is the empty dictionary. Here we have added a value. Key apple is 1, mango is 2, banana is 3. So here it will be representing apple 1, mango 2, banana 4. So we are going to use the in keyword. If mango is in fruit, has mango, else no mango. So what will happen when I will execute this statement? So when I will execute this statement, it means it will check in the fruits whether the mango is written there or not. If it is there, it will print yes mango, means has mango, otherwise it will print no. So first it is printing the has mango. Now if I will use this statement in the place of this, now you have to remove this and you have to execute this. What will happen? It will print this one statement. If orange in fruits, print has orange or no orange. So it will print no orange because there is no orange. Okay, I think it is clear to all of you. If I will use in the place of in, not in, what will be the output? Please let me know in the comment section. So here are the questions for you people. You please read the question and find out the you can see the answers also. Okay, this is for your practice peoples. So these are the questions. Take a screenshot, have a practice for these questions. It will be helpful in your exam time. Okay. So these are the for your self-assessment. You can copy this link and you write down this link. You will get the answer of these questions. End of the today's topic. Thank you and have a nice day.